I would also like to introduce that we have a number of people who've joined us, not only domestically, that is from India, but also all over the world. In fact, we have our guest today, Dr. Deepti Jaiswal, who's joining us from the United Kingdom. And we have our very esteemed audience joining us from Mauritius. We have Jenny Patel-ji, Rashri-ji, who's joined us from Mauritius. And we extend a heartfelt welcome to her and all the many guests who are joining us from different cities in India for this special webinar on COVID-19 and women's health. I would also like to mention that for today's webinar, it is being organized by the Uttar Pradesh Development Forum. Our co-organizers and also our technical platform supporters are SmartGov Foundation. Our co-organizers for today are the Satya Micro Capital Limited. Now, in the very beginning, I would like to introduce our topic for today. Now, why COVID-19 and women's health? Importantly, now, in this entire health fiasco that we are facing at the moment, there's COVID-19. We're looking at how the health infrastructure in India has sort of come to its knees. The pressure is on doctors, the pressure is on health workers, the pressure is also on women, most importantly, because we know that women who form a very integral part of the family unit, who form a very integral part of our society. In the very beginning, I would request Dr. Deepti to share a few introductory remarks. And then I would head towards Ms. Pooja Jain, who will be taking the first session of the webinar. So, Dr. Deepti Gupta, I would request you to please speak a few words.
I consider women not only different, they are special. Women are special and we are a bit different. Our physiology is a bit different and it is getting more special and it needs a more care when women get pregnant. So Pragya, your start was amazing because you have raised few points which I would like to highlight also during my talk, especially the mental health issue, the women during pregnancy, during lactation, vaccination issue, and very important thing, we don't talk much. We don't talk. So we need to talk about ourselves and we need to raise the awareness about women's health to the other. Like we are friend. हम कह सकते हैं हम सब सखियां हैं, सहेलियां हैं. तो जैसे सखियां और सहेलियां होती हैं उस तरीके से हम आज जो सुन रहे हैं वो हम अपनी हर सखी और सहेली को बताएं जो भी हमने आज सुना ताकि वो भी जाने. It's very important because they don't discuss. Still एक any part of the world still एक हेजिटेंसी है औरत के अंदर कि वो बात नहीं करती है. वो सब कुछ करती है, वो पूरे परिवार के लिए करती है पर वो अपने लिए नहीं सोचती है. So it's very important to know about that, especially in the pandemic, because they are the 50% of the population and they carry the next generation. They are the one who are carrying the next generation. So it's very, very important कि उनकी हेल्थ का काफी ध्यान रखा जाए. And they are different. They are special. So thank you, Pragya. We will go through it and I will try to help in whatever the knowledge I have, whatever I can help in giving the answer. I will try my best to help here.
And I hope that this is an enriching experience. सभी लोग आज कुछ ना कुछ सीख कर, कुछ नया सीख कर ही जाएंगे. तो इसी के साथ अब हम शुरुआत करते हैं इस वेबिनार की. और सबसे पहले जिस मुद्दे पे हम बात करने वाले हैं वो it's all about pregnancy and then we head into breastfeeding and then vaccination. तो ये जो पहला सेशन है उसको मॉडरेशन करने वाली है मिसेस पूजा जैन. So I welcome her and let's begin this.
Namaskar everyone. Since Pragya has already taken my name so many times, so I would not repeat. Very welcome, and it's a privilege to have you, Dr. Deepti, here in the forum. You are a specialist, so and I'm very sure that now we will be educated after this, and we will be eligible to educate others. So I welcome all the mothers, would-be mothers, already mothers. Mother अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा नाम है. I am a numerologist. सबसे पहले मैं जब anytime when I go for a matchmaking for a male and a female, a boy and a girl, तो मेरी एक ही लाइन होती है कि एक हाउस होता है, there is a house a girl should carry because girl productivity का कारक है. It is girl who is responsible to extend the family, to give a name, a new generation. तो गर्ल प्रोडक्टिविटी का कारण है, इसलिए गर्ल इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. गर्ल के पास वो सारे न्यूमरोलॉजिकल नंबर्स होने चाहिए. तो इमेजिन हाउ पावरफुल अ गर्ल इज एंड हाउ पावरफुल अ मदर इज. तो मुझे पता है कि आज दीप्ति जी जो है हमें मेरे मेरे बहुत सारे डाउट्स हैं पर्सनल जो क्लियर हो जाएंगे, विच आई थिंक आर वेरी वेरी कॉमन, बहुत सी लेडीज को रहेंगे. I will, without going or wasting more time, I would ask a very basic question. What is the main advice that you would give first shot? A basic advice to the pregnant woman, those who are already carrying. Deepti ji.
So your question, okay, so is it not related with the COVID, right?
No, it is. It is. In this pandemic, if somebody is carrying, what is the first basic advice you would give us so that, we will also remember and we can suggest?
So first advice is don't get panic. Okay, the most important thing is that don't get panic, because the recovery rate of this disease is higher than the mortality. Okay, that's the most important, and much, much, much higher than the mortality. The phobia of COVID is more killing than the disease. जो एक डर है ना कोविड का कि कोविड हो गया और मर जाएंगे, वो सबसे ज्यादा खराब है. लेकिन साथ में हमें ये भी याद रखना है कि हम केयरलेस भी ना हो. So the social distancing and the hygiene, that is most important in this current pandemic, because any woman, either she is pregnant, she is having a child, or she is planning to get pregnant, or your mother, menopause ladies and all these things, हमारी माँ बहनें सखी सहेलियां सब, the most important thing is that you have to be very careful, but you should not be panic, because ये है और कोविड है और कोविड रहेगा. It will be the similar like the flu, which was like Spanish flu जो 1918 में आया था. आज भी हम थोड़ा बहुत कहीं ना कहीं फ्लू देखते हैं, वो नहीं गया. सिमिलरली ये कोविड भी जो है ये इसी तरह मोस्ट लाइकली रहेगा. We have to be very strong. We have to, and as a women, we need to ourselves and हमारी फैमिली, हम सबको टीच करना है the social hygiene, social distancing, the mask, compulsory mask, in spite, even if you are at home, you have to, because आपके घर वाले बाहर जा रहे, they can bring us, they can bring inside the house. So you have to maintain that thing कि आपको टीच करना है उन्हें. You have to be strong in this pandemic to so that हर इंसान घर में, आप घर चला रही हैं, आप घर में सबको सिखाएं कि social distancing, mask and hand hygiene should be there inside the house to reduce the incidence of this pandemic, and don't get panic.
So that's the first advice from your side. Stop getting panic. What if I develop a symptoms of COVID-19 during pregnancy? What do I do then? Immediately.
Again, go to that. Don't get panic. Okay, the first thing. Second thing is very important. Don't start medication without any doctor's advice, because the management of COVID in pregnancy or anyhow is symptom based. It is not the test based. It is not that you got the COVID positive, so I have to treat you. पूरा का पूरा जो मैनेजमेंट है कोविड का वो सिम्टम बेस्ड है. Even if someone has a symptom and they don't have the test, we have to treat the patient as a COVID positive. So I'm not treating the lab. I'm treating a human being. So the most important is the symptom base. So the monitor, start monitoring yourself. First of all, self-isolate yourself. Don't start cooking and cleaning. Don't do the household work. Keep your house very well ventilated. It is very important because the air need to be get changed in the house, because you have to look after the other member. Keep yourself self-isolated with the window open of that room. Monitor your symptom. The women who are pregnant, they have the same risk as the other people, like the male part. However, if the woman is in the 3rd trimester, her risk of getting deteriorating is a bit higher because she is a bit different. उसके physiology जो है उसका जो लंग कैपेसिटी जो है, और ये डिजीज हम भी जानते हैं कि लंग को अफेक्ट करती है, वो चेंज हो चुकी होती है ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दूसरी बात ये हमें और जानना है कि प्रेगनेंसी अकेली सिर्फ प्रेगनेंसी नहीं होती है, वो कुछ चीज साथ में लेके आती है. लाइक शी मे हैव सम pre-existing condition like diabetes, hypertension, or it may develop during the pregnancy, like diabetes, hypertension. So she has to manage both the things. It's not a one person, it's a female with a child. So management should depend. No, so first thing, don't get panic. Self-isolation, social distancing, hygiene. Continue your pregnancy care, what it is. Don't do any self-medication, self-testing like HRCT, which is very important. Don't do it in pregnancy because not all medication is advisable during pregnancy. So you have to take advice from a healthcare professional.
All right. So if I have probably have not developed the symptoms, but I feel that I was exposed to that surrounding, and I have that anxiety. I feel that I might catch it. So in that case, also I should go for a test, or I should just stop panicking and sit down, relax, and wait for it.
I would say you would sit down at home and relax. The reason is that because in the current situation, the way the testing is that the test center is looking like a center of a pandemic, you know.
Yeah.
So you have to be very careful regarding that, because even see, I mentioned I am not gonna treat the lab report. I have to treat a woman with the symptom. Okay, if someone's lab report is positive but no symptom, we are not gonna do anything. That's it. It's a big chunk of the 30% of the population. If someone has a lab report negative but the symptom suggestive of a COVID positive, I have to treat that as a COVID positive. Making sense? So the most important, self-isolate if you are exposed, monitor yourself. You should know the symptom of the COVID. It can be unusual, it can be the common. The common one is the cough, cold, fever, sore throat, sneezing, that all. Other, loss of taste, loss of smell. Loss of taste and loss of smell are very specific. Specific means अगर ये है तो कोई टेस्ट की जरूरत ही नहीं है. You are COVID positive. You are. Okay. But the good thing is that if this is the only symptom and there is no sore throat, no headache, no fever, your likelihood of getting severe case is very less. Okay, that's very important. If someone has only loss of taste and loss of smell with no other symptom, the likelihood of getting a severe infection is very less. Okay. However, we cannot ignore it also. The second thing, another unusual symptom you need to keep in mind if you are exposed, like headache, diarrhea, constipation, prolonged constipation, which is anyhow common in the pregnancy. Okay, prolonged constipation, diarrhea, unusual bowel movement, headache, vomiting, keep an eye. If you start developing, get yourself tested, because tested, why needed? Test is needed because your healthcare professional, your doctor would need it for the admission. She would ask you. So that is the one thing. And if you develop the symptom, the only treatment is for you at the beginning is paracetamol. Keep the two things at your house. Thermometer and pulse oximeter. Two things only. Thermometer and pulse ox. That's your biggest, weapon. Because तुम्हें monitor करना है अपने आप को. ये दो चीज संभाल के रखो. If you have a diabetes and hypertension, I will come to you at separately. I'll come to that point because that is a high risk group. That women is a high risk group. So I'll talk about that separately.